All right, Jonathan, do we charge prepayment penalties?
No, we do not.
No, sir.
Get
Awesome.
out of here. Get out of here with that
Woo,
stuff.
good. That was quick. That was easy. Thanks for tuning in.
Bye, guys. No. All kidding aside, Austin and I get this question pretty frequently. Do we charge a prepayment penalty? And the answer is absolute no. But Austin, why does that come up? Where's the history behind that?
Yeah, so this is a lingering question for people out there because this used to be a really big deal. It used to be a common part of the mortgage industry for many, many years. And the reason it was there was because in the mortgage industry, people buy and sell mortgages. That's how the whole thing exists. That's what Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac exists for, is to buy mortgages. Well, when an investor purchases a mortgage or a group of mortgages, let's say that they buy that mortgage for $1,000 and they're going to make $100 profit on that mortgage every month. Well, if that loan gets paid off in 5 months, guess what?
They're upside down $500.
Yeah, they lost $500 on that. And so the prepayment penalties were traditionally 1% to 2% of the loan balance, so pretty hefty. But those were in there to make sure if the loan got paid off early, that the investor would be made whole and be able to make some profit on that. The problem is as those lenders and investors would become profitable, they wouldn't remove those prepayment penalties. They'd leave them in there for a long time, and it was a way for them to make some more money whenever you went to sell your house or pay it off or whatever it was. So that's where people started getting afraid of these prepayment penalties, and rightly so.
Gotcha. So glad those are done away with. And
That's
so
right.
At network funding, we don't charge that at all.
No, sir.
But on an internal standpoint with our investors, we do have a thing called an EPO,
That's
or early payoff, Austin. So
yeah.
what does that look like and why does that exist?
Well, so the investors actually still charge it, essentially, but now they just charge it to the originating lender. And so if your loan gets paid off early, they're not going to come back on you because you're protected, especially if you get your loan with us. If it's a qualified mortgage now, guess what? Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac protect you. It cannot be a qualified mortgage if there's a prepayment penalty. And so most loans are now actually protected from this completely, but the originating lender is not. And so whoever helped you get your loan, if you pay it off in less than 6 months, that penalty is not just going to come back to their company. It's going to most likely get passed all the way back down to them.
Ouch.
It hurts.
And life happens. We have clients that get relocated, get a new job, and didn't know that was going to happen. They might have just refied and they'll sell their house. That's totally fine. I mean, we get a couple of EPOs every year probably, but we at least like to let our clients be aware, like, hey, as a professional courtesy, if you know something might happen where you're going to sell your house, let us know. Maybe getting a refi at this time is not the best time.
Right.
So
totally.
But
or if you know, like, hey, I have to do this and I've got to pay it off early, then there could be another loan option out there that's a better fit. But yeah, if you win the lottery and you just bought your house 3 months ago, that's awesome.
Baby. Yeah.
But guess what? You got a lot of money. Just pay a couple more payments and then pay it off just to take care of your loan officers out there. So good news for you. If you're buying a house, there's most likely no prepayment penalty on your loan.
Nope.
But take care of your loan officers because we're out there trying to take care of you.
Awesome.
That's it.